guys, how you doing today? Today I'm making a video. I'm going to make a day in the life video of an artist. So some of you may or may not know, my name is Carol and I'm an artist living in Dublin, and today I'm making a video about a day in the life. So I work almost full time. It depends on the week, mostly full time, but sometimes 4 days a week, and then I practice art in my free time from there. So this is a very crucial and important part of my week, to take that time out to practice art and make art. Now I have been working on a couple of projects, and so today I'm going to continue working on those, and I'm working on a large painting, so hopefully I'll get to continue that as well. But first it's about 9:30, which is a little bit later than I'd hoped to get up, to be honest, and I had planned to get up a bit earlier, but I woke up in the middle of the night and I couldn't get back to sleep. So when I fell asleep, I just left myself sleep on until I felt rested, because after today I know I'm in for 5 days of work, so I want to make sure that I'm rested before I go back to all that. So first things first, I'm going to go for a little jog outside and do that, and then cook my lunches for work, so I have them all set up and ready to go for the next few days for work. And then after that I'm going to get into working on I've got a list of things to be done, and one of them is to promote my next art retreat day. So I'm going to do a post for that on social media, and then I'm working on a class for Skillshare. So I'm going to work on that for a little while, and hopefully I'm going to go to the park and do some sketching and take you along with me, because it will be a little bit more interesting to watch than me at home on the computer for a couple of hours. So, and then that's pretty much it for the day, and yeah, we'll see how we get on with that much, and we'll take it from there. Alright, for now let's go on that jog and enjoy it. Okay guys, see you in a bit. Hi guys, just back in from the jog now. I'm delighted with that. It was a lovely jog. The weather it's cold, but it's lovely. The sun is out and you can kind of see the lovely greenery in the park. It's fantastic to be out. So I jogged around our block, and it's about 2 or 3k, so it's a nice little jog. I haven't ran the whole length of it for a good while, so I've had to walk in the middle or walk parts of it. So today I actually made it around the whole way, so I'm delighted with myself for that. And so now I'm going to have a shower, make my work lunches, and then start working on my computer. Okay, that's the plan for now. Let's see how it goes from there. Go over Skillshare lessons. Start preparing files. Edit video. I don't know what that is. Oh yes, I have piles of videos that I've made, but they're not edited. And the other one is to promote the next retreat day. So the next retreat day is in November 12th. So this will be one way of promoting it, is by mentioning it here in this video. So this workshop, well, it's not a workshop, it's a retreat day. We'll start with yoga, which I'll be teaching a class, and then we'll be doing some meditation together, and then we're going to do some what we call vision boards. So we're going to be working on those today on the day, and taking a creative approach to that. So I will probably make a little post for Instagram and TikTok to put those on today, but for now I'm doing 15-minute slots to try and get my head around this Skillshare, because it's completely new for me, and sometimes when I'm thinking of doing it, especially when I know tomorrow I'm going into work for quite a few days, and I'm like, I want to kind of be chill, so that's why I'm doing it, sitting on the bed, relaxing. I'm reading over the things I need to know on the Skillshare platform, because I have the class recorded, I have the editing more or less done, but I need to understand how the format works for Skillshare. Hi friends, I hope you've enjoyed the video. It was a lot of fun making that video. I hope you got something from it. It was quite a simple day that I recorded, and it was back in September. Hopefully you've enjoyed some of the clips and some of the outdoor clips that I got for you. And yeah, that's that section of the video. The Skillshare class is now completed. I have finished the class, so I'm going to leave a link in the description below, and the retreat day is coming up very soon on the 12th of November, so feel free to send me an email if you're interested in attending that. Just send me an email, and you're in the Dublin area or in Ireland, you can definitely attend that retreat day. But the Skillshare class is global for everybody and anybody who's interested in creating a beautiful landscape art piece and being inspired by outdoors, creating that art piece and using their mindfulness and meditation techniques to create something unusual and different. Now, I hope you've enjoyed the video, like I said, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying true until the end, and I'm really grateful that you would take the time to watch this video. Bye for now. Bye.